Hi, this is Nick with the Bomb Lawn, thebomblawn.com in Colorado Springs, Colorado. Here today, just want to show you how to blow out a residential sprinkler system and winterize it, prepare it for winter so that your pipes don't break. First step here is you're going to want to come in here. You're going to shut this water valve off that goes up to the backflow preventer on the sprinkler system. So I'm going to shut this water valve off going perpendicular to the pipe to shut it off. Then we're going to go outside here. Next step, we have the compressor pumped up, ready to go. It's quite simple. You got your compressor here. You want to charge it up, hook up to the test right here. At this point, the flow is on, right? So you want to shut this one off. This is a pipe leading down, coming from the house. So you want to shut this valve off, coming from the house. Leave this one open. Open this one up and shut this one. Turn on the valve first so that the valve is open. Slowly let compressed air out to prevent any damage to the pipes. So we have our water shut off coming from the house. We have our air going this way through the system and the valve is open. Slowly increase the pressure. And as soon as you see all the water coming out and there's a fine mist and a fog, that's when you know it's done. It's all coming out to a fine mist. And we're done with this zone. You would repeat these steps for all of the zones. You come back to these test valves, and what you're going to want to do after you blow all the zones out, you're going to leave these at an angle sideways, and you're going to turn these valves right here so that air can get into the system. See how these are going not perpendicular or not horizontal, but they're in between the two at a slant. And both of these are the same. This allows it to be halfway open so that air can prevent, if there is any water left in the system, prevent it from cracking the pipes. So you want to leave a little bit of air getting into there. Go down back into the basement and drain the residual water that is trapped in the pipe down to the shutoff valve. We're also going to open this one to let any water drain out. If your system has this, not all systems do. You're just going to let that drain out. You're going to come back down to the shutoff valve in the basement. When we started, we already shut this valve off. Now we're just going to open this test port right here to drain any residual water. You'd get a bucket, but we have a drain back here and it's just going to drain into the drain. Put that back on. If you've done that with all the valves in the system, your job is complete. It's a fairly simple process. It just has to be done properly to ensure that you don't have any pipes that break over winter, prevent any unwanted damage to your system. That's how you winterize a sprinkler system and blow out the water to prevent any breaks. Thank you for your time. Have a good day.